The Chula Vista City Council was planning to declare a public health emergency tonight in response to the garbage piling up throughout the city. But technical difficulties got in the way. Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Marcella Lee.
And I'm Jesse Pagan. Now, this doesn't mean the votes won't happen, though. CBS 8's Lamonic Peters is in Chula Vista tonight with where we go from here.
The meeting will now be held on Saturday at 6 o'clock and should be streaming online. We were able to talk to one council member who tells us what the declaration will mean. With trash piled up for the last month in parts of San Diego and Chula Vista, local leaders say they're taking action to get rid of the trash and protect people's health.
One of the biggest places impacted are our multi-unit apartment complexes and our commercial centers, and we are there to be able to help them during this crisis, and declaring the public health emergency gives us that ability to help them.
Chula Vista Councilman John McCann says even though the public health emergency hasn't been made official, the city manager still has the authority to use city staff and other groups to help clean up.
We're going around and creating trash sites, and so our employees can bring the trash to those trash sites and then have Republic Services pick those up.
San Diego Mayor Todd Gloria also released a statement Friday saying in part, "My office has given the company until Monday before escalating action to compel the trash hauler to meet their obligations under their franchise agreement. My next steps are fining the company, pursuing their performance bond, and asking the City Council for authorization to seek an injunction to force compliance with the terms of the agreement." McCann says Chula Vista City Council will also do everything in its power to ensure residents' health and safety is the top priority and that Republic fulfills its contractual obligations.
We are doing all the steps legally to be able to do that. We hope that the Teamsters and Republic Services will be able to find an agreement that will be a win-win, but we have to put our citizens first, and if Republic Services is not going to pick up our trash, we're going to need to find somebody else who will.
Republic Services also released a statement today saying they are still willing to negotiate with the union, but no date has been set by either party and the strike continues.